What's going on, guys? This is Steven at My Life TV. I hope you are having a great day today, because I'm doing pretty good. I feel a little up under the weather, just a little tired. I didn't get a whole lot of sleep last night. Right now, we're at the stables at Linda's Learning Farm. We had to bring our horses some feed. They were getting a little bit low, and we definitely wanted to have some feed out here before this afternoon before they fed them again. Looks like they actually came out here and graded this morning or something. Looks really nice. What is it? What, baby? Alright, I'm coming. Sorry guys, that was my wife. She said she needed my help real quick, so we're gonna walk up here and see what's going on. I wanted to show you Linda's big pig. That thing is huge, guys. He's way out in the field out there. I don't know if you've seen. It looks like an oversized mini horse. I will show you guys in a minute. Give me 1 second. I want to help my wife carry some feed. You need both of my hands or just one? Huh? You need both of my hands or just one?
Just one. I need you to hold Montana's feed.
Okay. See, guys, actually, here's their feed right here. I guess we don't feed them this morning. I got Montana's. My wife has got Patches. So we're headed out here right now. Oh, we gotta go through the fence. Okay. There we go. Ready, guys? Can you get through here with me? I'm stuck. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, guys. Alright, guys, like I said, I just seen a huge horse pig out here. You ever heard of
Ernie.
Ernie. That thing is an oversized mini horse, guys. We're fixing to head on out here. I'll show you that pig.
Get them in here, but
Really?
show them that we got the feed in.
Okay. Yeah, I decided to bring y'all along out here for a little bit today. We ain't gonna be out here probably too long, not sure. It doesn't matter, you know, because I love it out here each time we come. You know, it's real peaceful and there's always something to do. We can watch the beautiful horses. Look at this big old mini horse pig they got out here. I've never seen this thing before, but it is something else, guys. I'm just gonna show it to you shortly. Yeah. Ernie.
Here, Ernie.
Grief. Look at this thing, guys.
Here, Ernie.
I'm just gonna show you. Give me 1 second.
Here, Ernie.
I'll set this food down, guys. Check this out. I know it might not look much.
Montana.
Let's see if I can get zoomed in here, guys.
Come on, Montana.
I still ain't fully learned how to use this thing yet.
Hold on, Patches. Hold on, baby girl.
Alright, baby. Alright. I'll show you Ernie in just a minute, guys. Get all the fences closed down there, baby. There's Patches, guys. Y'all say hey. Our beautiful horse. No. Not yet, baby.
Here, Montana.
Not yet. No.
Here.
No. I'm gonna give it to you, baby.
Oh, here comes Ernie.
No.
Come on,
Hold on,
Montana.
girl. Look how beautiful she is, guys. Guys, look at this pig.
Ernie.
Oh my gosh.
Quit.
Oh my
Come on,
gosh.
Montana. Come on. Here, look. Here. Come on, Montana. Come on.
I see y'all just a little bit, guys. I want to show you this pig. Guys, we're back up front. We just got our beautiful Patches up here. We're feeding her. Look how pretty she is, guys. And we got Montana over there. We have to separate them, so this hog won't hog all the food. Look how pretty she is, guys. I'll show you to her. I'm going to show you guys our beautiful horse. Ain't she pretty? Look at hers. What you been doing this morning, Patches? Oh, my sinuses are kind of bad, guys. Patches. Yeah, I love Patches' color, guys. She's so prettiful. Hey, beautiful. How old is Patches, baby?
17 next month.
17 next month, guys. Right now, we're trying to get her front feet better so we can ride her again. I will explain to you, you know, what's going on with her feet. She had some trouble with her front feet, you know, a while back, and you know, we were just wanting her to get better before we start riding her again. We love her so much. Let me take you over here. We'll look at Montana for a little bit. Montana. Everybody wants to say hey to Montana. This is our baby. She's 2. Hey, girlfriend. I'll check her out. She's so pretty. Guys, it is so peaceful out here. What you been doing today, little Miss Montana? Oh, guys, that pig is out there, Ernie, and I definitely want to show y'all Ernie. I didn't get to show you Ernie a while ago too good because the horse was so hungry, so they was trying to definitely get their food. But we're going to sit here and clean Miss Patches for a little bit. So you guys have any horses? I'd like to know if you do, and how many you got, and their names, what kind of horse they are. Maybe one day you can do a live stream with my wife and y'all can talk about y'all's horses. She loves her horses. Look at her. What are you doing right now, baby?
I'm de-shedding her.
You de-shedding her? Look at all that hair.
She gets a thick one, I think.
Yeah, it's really thick. Look how thick, guys. So soft. What happened to her front feet, baby, that time?
She foundered, which the medical term for it is laminitis.
Laminitis. Yeah, guys, hopefully we can...
her coffin bone inside of her hoof,
Mm-hmm.
instead of it going out the way it should like this,
Mm-hmm.
what it did is it rotated. Instead of growing out, it's growing down. And if it gets too bad, it can grow out of her hoof wall.
Yeah, so we've been able to ride our baby.
Bone that's growing backwards, or not backwards really, but it's a bone that's growing crooked and can grow out of the bottom of a foot if it's not treated. And
Mm-hmm. Hey, beautiful.
And that's why she's got shoes on to help with that, to keep the pressure off of her hooves. She's not gonna let me pick them up right now because she's eating.
Yeah, that's all right. There's her brushes. So hopefully soon we can ride, but we'll wait until she gets better, guys.
That one's supposed to start being broke.
Yeah, there's the new barrel horse.
It's gonna be broke. I'm gonna have a saddle put on her. and
Put it on. Be careful, walk out here real quick. Hey guys.
Wait for them to get that in.
Alright. Hey guys. I will take y'all out here real quick. I'm going to show y'all Ernie while the horses are eating. When they get through eating, we're going to take them back out here. it's so peaceful out here, guys. I love it out here so much. I can't wait to get our property. This is probably the most peaceful stable I've been to that we had our horses at. We used to have them at a place over there at Theodore. Oh man, I can't remember, but the name. But the owner was Mr. Clarence. He was an amazing gentleman. I loved him so much, and I still do. I need to go see him, me and Brooke. He's done so much for me and Brooke and our horses. And wow, he's got an amazing piece of property, guys. Literally, when you pull up there to his big house, you pull around the back. His driveway is kind of like a horseshoe like this. It goes around the whole house. And when you pull to the back of the horseshoe, like, it's like a little parking area, and there's a little walkway, and there's like this little, I don't know what you call these things, but it had flowers and plants growing over vines. You walk through this little pathway, and each way, on each side, my bad, is like water, and this little island. And it has like a little shack there where you can barbecue, sit out there with your friends, family. And around it, there's like a little pond. It was so cool. There's one way on, one way off, little walkway. It is awesome. Guys, this is Ernie. Check him out, guys. Look! Oh my gosh. He's huge, guys. I'll give you something close to his dimensions. Wow, I've never seen a pig really this big. He's probably in, I'd say, length. I would say about 7 foot long, something to it. And his height like this, I'd say about 4.5 feet tall. About 4 foot tall. Gosh, he's huge, guys. He's so cool. Wow, I wonder if I can pet him, guys. I'm not sure. I will try. Let me see. Come here, Ernie. Ernie. Ouch. Got me. Ernie. Come here. Look at him. See my hand, guys? Gosh, it's crazy. Look at that. Wow. Oh my gosh. That is crazy. Hey, Ernie. Ernie. You pretty pig. Look at my hand. God. That is crazy, guys. I'm sorry. I'm just the first time I've ever seen Ernie. How old are you, Ernie? Yeah, guys, the horses are all out there just playing around and stuff. All the other horses. Like I said, our horses are up here feeding right now. But listen, guys, so peaceful. See, I kind of thought my pigs were big, but not nearly that big, guys. That is a pig right there. That's awesome. Ernie. Guys, y'all have any pigs? Let me know in the comments. Let me know how big your pigs are, if you do have any. What's up, guys? See where, guys, I kind of walk around and show you a little bit of the property. So beautiful. Here's the fence line here, and I don't know whose property this is, but it's like a whole lot of property. This is all Miss Linda's here. All out there. And there's looks like a bunch of horses over there. And there's like a little dirt road way over there, and her property goes on the other side of that dirt road. Let's go up here and see how the horses are doing, guys. I actually let y'all walk out in front, so you don't have to stare at me. Patches! Guys, today is my last day off. I had yesterday off and the day before yesterday off, and it's been a good, relaxing a few days. Tell you what, I could use about a week, you know. But, you know, when I go to work there, I have a good time. You know, we all friends up there, family. We've been working together for a while. Here's my wifey. Need help, baby? Got it?
Yeah.
You fixing to brush Montana?
Where you go? Stay. Where you go? You're fine. Come here. Here, come here.
Come here, baby girl.
There you go. Smell it. Here, smell it. There's no food in there. You ate it all. You ate all your food. You ate all your food, big girl.
Hey, beautiful.
You ate all your food, baby girl. Yeah, you ate all of it. And brush. Yeah, we brush you. Look. And brush. And brush. Look, it's all in there.
Yeah, we're trying to get her used to this brushing, guys. She's still not used to it. So Brooke just walks with her and brushes her at the same time. Montana, you giving Mama a hard time. What do you call this move?
It's desensitizing her to it. It's showing her that it's not hurting her. She stopped and licked her lips.
Yeah.
That's a good sign. That's a good girl. Yes, she is. Yes. That's a good girl. And then she starts moving again. Just keep following. Gotta do the same thing on each side. Yeah. Yes, you went to girl. Yes, you went to girl. You have what's your butt? You have itchy butt anywhere? You have itchy butt. You have itchy butt. Right over here. Itchy butt. No? What about the baby? You ain't got no itchy butts anywhere?
Just take a look at all Peaches. Peaches. Hey, Patches. They're such good horses, guys. Yep, there's the house. They don't even really use that house. My wife said, actually, that house during the summer, they can use the bathroom, they can swim in the pool during the summer, so that's kind of cool. But they basically use that house for like the restrooms, stuff like that. What is it, babe?
Okay, we're just waiting for Patches to get done.
Okay. Man, that pig is huge. How old is that pig?
Oh, I don't know.
That thing's,
I have to ask him.
I can't believe that thing's like 4 foot tall,
He's
6 or 7 foot long.
I think he weighs between 600 to 700 pounds.
600 to 700 pound pig, guys.
Well, he's a big pig. He's not. I mean, there's different pigs. There's pigs that can get up to 900 pounds.
Yeah.
There's pigs that can get the size of it. He's about the size, or he's weighs more than she does.
Yeah. Oh,
She
I can
only
definitely
weighs,
tell.
6 something right now.
I had my hand on the front of Ernie's snout and just made my hand look teeny.
He's sweet.
He is sweet. He let me pet him, so that was pretty cool. What do they do out here, baby? Do they do any training and stuff out here, or? You can definitely tell they graded this morning. Early. Look at all the rocks. It's pretty, guys. Yeah, old Phoenix ain't out here. She must be out there today. Guys, we're gonna walk back to the car real quick and get something to drink. Really thirsty. I got me a cream soda. Baby, hand me my cream soda.
No.
This is another good cream soda, guys. It's a Big Blue. It ain't as good as the other brand that I was drinking. Oh, well, y'all didn't see that other video that I lost, so I was trying to show y'all my favorite cream soda, but like I said on yesterday's video, I lost the footage. But my favorite cream soda is actually, you can get them at grocery stores like Rouse's. Is really don't, I think the only place I've seen them. I forgot the name of it, but it's a bottle kind of like this, but it's way bigger. I want to say it's a 32 ounce maybe, and they're only $1. They're really, really good. See if I can get this thing open. Wow. You want some, guys? Okay. All right, that's enough. Gotta save some for me. I literally spilt it all over me. About out. But I could say Big Blue is probably my second best cream soda, and then you got the Faygo cream soda, which is like a clear. Pretty good stuff too. Yeah, guys, this is where you come into the stables, right over here. And they got some woods. There's Miss Linda trailer on her property. I think they got somebody fixing to move into there. Been cool if we could have. Be nice waking up to this beautiful area every day. I don't think I've never been way up here on the property. Let's see. Let's take a look, guys. So quiet. See, there's the house. I forgot what kind of trees these are, guys. But it's a Leland cypress tree. I used to work at a plant farm years ago, and I believe they call these Leland cypress trees. Beautiful trees. I have never been out in their woods. And I know Patches is still eating she gets a little bit more feed than Montana. Montana's finished, so we're waiting on Patches to finish hers. Wow. Yep, there's Patches right over here, guys. Look, I think she's looking at us. See, right there. Let's see if we can zoom in on her a little bit. There. Right there. Right there. Yep, she's still eating, it looks like. Definitely need to get a little bit better with this phone. Guys, I do my editing through Power Director all through my phone. It's a good app. One of my friends actually told me about it. I'm on the basic, I just say the basic app. I got it where it don't cost to have it. But I'm fixing to upgrade to the premium, which it costs a little bit, but that's fine with me because I love it. It's easy to use, and if you don't know how to use it, they basically have a help mode that shows you. But the premium upgrade, you can actually get 1040p, which would be a whole lot better picture. Mine, I want to say it's like 4 something to maybe 7 something, because I do watch my videos after I get through sometimes, you know, to make sure everything went through okay. And you can tell the footage is kind of like I want to say a 720p. But I'm fixing to upgrade pretty soon to a premium package deal through Power Director, so that'll give me a whole lot better picture for you guys. What you doing, wifey? Alright guys, the horses are finished eating. We actually taking them back out here, or they might be taking us out there. They know exactly where they're going. Patches is already up there, and here's Montana. I don't know why I did that. Here's Montana, guys. She's on her way back out here also. Oh, she kicked the pine cone. She did a good job. Y'all know exactly where y'all going, don't you, guys? The guys are waiting to go back out. They're gonna put the wife out there for the day too. We're going out there for a minute, or huh? Bye, babies. Love you, Montana. Love you, Patches. Be good. Y'all say bye to the pig. Way on out there. Ernie. Ernie. Alright guys, just want to thank you for viewing this video. Yeah, I decided to make a video when we came out here. It was so beautiful and peace and quiet. How couldn't I do it, you know? But I just want to show you all the horses and definitely show y'all Ernie. Wow, big pig. But me and my wife, we're about to head on out of here, guys. Like I said, please subscribe to my channel. There's more videos to come, great videos. If you like seeing videos of our horses and Miss Linda's farm out here, just jot down in the comments and I will make more of these videos. And we love you so much. Again, thank you for viewing our channel. If you want to see more of my videos, I just seen yesterday there's actually another My Life TV. I don't know who it is, but if you want to see my channel, just type in Steven My Life TV and it should come up to my channel, guys. I love you so much. Y'all have a wonderful day. See y'all later.